I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by extracting the exe so you can repurpose code and assets. First, make sure the exe uses portable libraries rather than deep Windows APIs, otherwise conversion will fail. Once done, install the Java JDK, Android SDK, and NDK, plus a Linux layer like WSL so native builds work. Next, use 7-zip or Resource Hacker to pull out executables, DLL, images, and config files. You'll need those assets for packaging and for porting native calls to Android equivalents. Now you port the logic and handle native dependencies. Start by identifying target CPU architecture, x86, x64, or ARM, and decide whether to cross-compile or recompile from source. Android devices are mostly ARM. Replace Windows API calls with POSIX or Android APIs, and use JNI as glue between Java/Kotlin and native code. If the exe is .NET, use Xamarin or NET MAUI to retarget Android. Rebuild C/C++ module. Finish by assembling the APK and validating runtime behavior. Create an Android Studio project, add your assets in Java or Kotlin wrappers, and include the compiled native, so files under appropriate ABI folders. Configure Android manifest with required permissions and intent filters, set ABI filters, and sign the build with your key store. Install to emulator and actual devices, then use a DB and Logcat to track crashes and runtime errors. If unresolved crashes occur, check native stack traces and missing permissions. Adjust JNI bridges and rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.